On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 24 of Mandarin Chinese. On this upcoming lesson, we are going to learn about different types of building and structures that we see in our everyday life. I will use a different strategy. I will teach each word 2 times. The first one will be slow and the other one will be fast. Now, let's begin. A university is called 大学. 大学. A school is called 学校. 学校. A cinema is called 电影院. 电影院. A library is called 图书馆. 图书馆. Now, let's review the words again. 大学, 学校, 电影院, 图书馆. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Bye.